So, good afternoon, everyone. Myself Sultan Chandrasekhar Sisode. I am from Mechanical Department's second year A Division student. So, today I am here to explain a fluid mechanics topic, streamline path line and stick line and stream tube and its unique application. So, let's go. So, what is streamline? Streamline is a imaginary line which is tangent to the vector velocity vector of at every point of a fluid. So its characteristics are no fluid crosses the streamline, and second one, in a steady flow streamline does not change with the time. Third point, it is used in aerodynamics to visualize flow patterns of the fluid. There are four flow patterns: rectangular, spherical, square shape, and bulge. Its application, the streamline application are, it is used in wind tunnel testing to analyze allowed vehicles and aircraft. So next point, path line. So what is path line? Path line is the actual trajectory followed by the streamline over time. So its characteristics shows the history of a particle's movement. It shows the how was the movements of a particle throughout the time that has been occurred. Second, in a steady flow, path line and streamline are identical. So it states that in a steady flow where the velocity and density and pressure of the flow is constant, in steady flow, there the streamline and path line both are identical or similar. Third, used in experimental fluid mechanics to track the particle motion. It is also helpful to track the particle motion in the fluids. So now we will come towards its application. Its application used in a dye injection experiment to study a pollutant dispersion in reverse. So now we will come to a third factor, that is streak line. So we will come to its definition. What is streak line? Streak line is the locus of all fluid particles that has been passed through the particular point. So its characteristics, we will come to its characteristics. It represents the current position of particle emitted from a fixed source. Second one, used to visualize and understand the flow of a particle. This was its application. So now we will come to a third factor, that is streak line. Streak line. So streak line basically is the locus of all fluid particles that has passed through over time through the fluid. So now its characteristics. It represents the current position of a particle emitted from its original source. Second, used to visualize the unsteady flow patterns. So these were its characteristics. Now we will come to its application. So stick line is basically used in a smoke flow visualization in wind tunnels for aerodynamics testing. It is very important factor in aerodynamics studies. Next we will come towards the stream tube. So what is stream tube? Stream tube is basically a bundle of adjacent streamlines forming a U-tube region. So it says that it is summation of a streamline which forms a U-tube that is known as stream tube. So its characteristics are no mass flow across its boundary. No mass flows over across its U-tube boundary. Second, used in a Bernoulli's principle of application. It is a very important factor in Bernoulli's application. Now we will come to its application. Its application are used in a jet engine nozzle designed to optimize the airflow and the thrust. So now we will come towards its unique application. So its unique application is environmental pollution tracking. So nowadays pollution is increasing. So in that case, streamline, path line and stream tube are playing an important factor by environment pollution tracking. So its application includes that monitoring of air quality, soil quality and the water quality. Now this application used for monitoring water bodies for pollution designing for effective pollution control, and measures the study environment impact of industrial and agricultural activity. So it basically examine the water and soil throughout and tells the impurities in that. So it is a very important factor in day-to-day biodiversity. Next part is the conclusion. So from this we have studied that stream tube, path line and stick line helps us to visualize its fluid flow by giving us the results, and they have application in aerodynamics, environmental and biomedical engineering. Also, understanding this concept is crucial for optimizing design in engineering and medical fields. So this was all about streamlines, path line, stick line and stream tube. So thank you very much.